Welcome to OpenSCAD Simplified. Now we know the basics of the user interface. Let's design our first 3D object. I'm using millimeters here, but you can use inches or whatever. OpenSCAD really doesn't care, but you have to scale it right before using it in a machine if you don't use metric. So let's design our object. Let's say a cube 1 by 1 by 1 centimeter. So we open the cube function and then we give width, depth and height like 10 10 10 and press F5. F5 updates the render, so we have our first 3D object. If we want to make it higher, we can just increase the height, press F5, and now it's 2 centimeters big. And you can use the mouse to move around, zoom, drag.